We continue looking at question 5 from the January 2021 CSEC Mathematics past paper. We're at part B. A group of students wrote a physics examination. Each of the students achieved a grade of 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we have it here, grade 1, 2, 3, or 4. The pie chart below shows the result. 39 students achieved a grade of 3. Alright, so we have that. Determine the total number of students who wrote the examination. Alright, so let's go over to our other screen here. We're supposed to determine the number of students who wrote the examination. Pause the video and work that out for me. Alright, good, we finished. Let's look at it. Number of students who wrote the examination. Now the thing is this. You have the total angle in a circle is 360 degrees. Alright? The total angle is 360 degrees and the pie chart is a circle. The 39 students cover 117 degrees. So here 39 students equivalent to 117 degrees. If you do a little ratio of it, 39 students divided by 117 degrees is equal to, call it T number of students divided by 360 degrees. See that? If we transpose to make T the subject, you're going to have T is equal to, it's going to be 360 multiplied by 39 over 117. Another way to put it is 360 degrees divided by 117 degrees multiplied by 39. See that? If you imagine, just break from it for a while and see. If it was half, it would be 180 degrees, right? And the total would be twice. If this was the 39, the total would be twice. You would have 360 divided by 180 multiplied by 39, which would be what? That would be 78. If that were the case, it's the same line of argument here. 360 over 117 would line up with 360 over 180. Alright? So here now, let's do the calculation. The total is equal to what? Let's draw for our calculator. 360 divided by 117. 360 over 117 equals that. Now multiply that by 39. 120 students, right? So it would be 120 students. Is that what you got? Remember, if that's not what you got, you have two things to do. Closely examine what I did to see if I made any mistake. Or if I didn't, redo the question without looking back at what I did to try and get the 120. Alright? So let's look at what else they say you're to do. All right, let's just copy this and paste it over here. Paste. So now, what they say, the ratio of number of students who achieve grade 1, 2, or 3 is 2 to 4 to 3. A student passed the exam if he achieved grade 1, 2, or 3. So here, the ratio 1 is 2 to, oh no, is 2 to 4. 4 will come here. To 3 to, no, 2, no, 1 to 2 to 4. And 3 would come here. 1 to 2 to 4. 2 to 4 to 3. Alright, good. Student passes the examination if he or she achieve a grade of 1, 2, or 3. How many students pass the exam? Alright, grade of 1, 2, or 3. So, let's see what is going on there. Remember now, you have a total of 120 students. You want to find out, first of all, how many students got 1, 2, and 4. So, students who got 1 or 2, 1, 2, or 4. You already know how many got 3. Let's erase some of these things. So, how many got 1, 2, or 4 is 120 minus 39, right? So, we're going to have 120 minus 39 equals 81. 81 of them. So this is 81. Now, you see the 1, 2, or 4. It's in the part, it's in a ratio 2 to 4 to 3. So you're going to divide up 81 into 2 to 4 to 3. How about you pause the video and finish this part of it, of the question for me. Alright, you did that. You paused the video and you finished this part of the question. What do you get when you divide up 81 into the ratio 2 to 4 to 3? You see 2 to 4 to 3? It means you have 2 parts, then 4 parts, then 3 parts. How many total parts you have? 2 plus 4 plus 3 gives you 4 and 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts. If you cut 81 up into 9 equal parts, you get 9. Alright? So it's 9 students per part. Alright? You have a total of 9 parts, so it's 9 students per part. 9 times 9 gives you 81. So here now, 9 students per part would mean number of students here would be 2 times 9 equal 18. Alright? Number of students here would be 3 times 9, which is 27. And number of students here would be 4 times 9, which is 36. Alright. So, you can now find out how many students pass the exam. How many students pass? Number of students who passed would be 18 got 1 plus 36 got grade 2 plus 39 got grade 3. 18, 36, 39. 18 plus 36 plus 39. Passed. Alright? So, how much does this give you? Let's draw again for our calculator just to save some time. Use our calculator. We have 18 plus 36 plus 39 equals 93. So that's 93. Passed. Alright? Now, let's see what else they say. Determine the value of the angle of a sector representing grade 1 in the pie chart. Angle of the sector for grade 1. So, hold on. Let us write this answer here. $93. Let's erase some of these things. All right. What we have here is to determine. I just copy it and put it over there. Paste. Sector for grade 1. Alright. 18 are in grade 1. So, to get that angle, how about you pause the video and work out the angle for me? Alright, good. You worked it out. The proportion in grade 1 compared to the total number of students is 18 over 120. You want the angle, so that proportion is multiplied by 360. If it was, say, 60 over 120, that would be half. And when you multiply 360 by half, you get 180. But in this case, you have an 18 divided by 360. So what you get now? 18 divided by 120. I should say. So, let's look at using our calculator again. Calculator. 18. Let's clear it. 18 over 120 equal. Multiply by 360 gives you 54. So the answer to that is 54. So there you have it. That is the end of question 5.